my name is Luisa. Today I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial on this hair look. I did a little zigzag moment with a little bun. It's not as high as I would like it to be, but it's there. And then I did a little curl moment. This is how she's looking from the back. Let's get to it. Honestly, I lost all of my hair clips, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. But with this, see what we can do. Okay, so I watched the girl's video on YouTube, and basically she just twists them. So we're just gonna do that. We're probably gonna start from right here, and then I should probably brush my hair, bro. My hair is not as smooth as hers. Like, you should have seen the way she did it. Oh my gosh. So I didn't realize it at the time, but I guess my memory ran out, so it didn't record the rest of it. No, actually, it deleted the rest of my video, so I couldn't recover it. So basically, before my video cut off, I did a zigzag with my hairline, which you were seeing before I stopped because my hair got tangled. And then after I parted it, I'm just randomly getting pieces from the back, from the top of my back of my head, I don't know. And I'm just twisting them just like you see. And then you're just kind of going to roll them up on the top of your head. And you can either use bobby pins or you can use ligas. But I use both. And you can see that I'm like putting bobby pins and I'm also putting ligas just so it stays secure. And they're different sections, but eventually they all come together, if that makes sense. Okay, that wasn't what I was going for, but we're just gonna make it work because I need to go. I'm gonna go ahead and pin her back like that, and then put her in a bun, and we're gonna take these two pieces. So you're gonna brush it down, but I'm just gonna wet it so it's a little smooth. And I do. So yeah, you're just gonna do that, and then we're just gonna connect the back. And I do have a lot of baby hairs going in the back, so that does get annoying. Because what it just hurts. Okay, so now we can put her down. So my camera died, but this is what she looks like. I'll probably get another bobby pin just to pin her down together, but we're gonna go for like a wavy hairstyle today. And as you can see right here, and I left it on for a little while, so this is what she looks like. I'm gonna do for all of my hair. Yeah. Todavía pesta acá adentro. Literally, my dogs came in here and they fucking farted, and it stinks so bad. Like, it's been 5 minutes and it still does not go away. Do one in and went out. That way it doesn't look funny. Okay, so this is how half of it looks, and I'm just gonna hairspray it just so it holds its shape while I'm getting ready. And this is not the final look. I'm gonna do this really quickly, but I'm gonna do this piece right here. There we go. Okay, so yeah, this is what she's looking like right now. We're just gonna put some hairspray so she can sit in it a little bit, and we're gonna do my lashes and we'll be back. Okay, so for this last step, we're just gonna brush out the curls a little bit. You can either brush them with your hand, or if you have a certain wide comb, you can also use that, but I don't have that right now with me. I am gonna keep these little front ones a little bit more defined. And I will be so this is how she looks from the front after I'm done. I separated the pieces, a little zigzag moment, little bun moment. She a little squish, but it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. And this is how she's looking from the back.